Alright, yo, what's good with the YouTube? Sorry for yelling, But what's good with the YouTube? Yo, YouTube, what's good? Now we got a new method how to get unlimited ChatGPT accounts for free. So a lot of y'all asked me in my little video, yo, Tyrese, can you do a long form video on how to get unlimited ChatGPT accounts for free? So yes, I will. So the video's not here. So what you want to do is you want to go to incognito mode. And you want to go to ChatGPT. So we're just going to go to ChatGPT. And I'm going to basically show y'all how to create unlimited ChatGPT account. So this is what this video is for. Unlimited ChatGPT account. So we're gonna sign up for free. And what we want to do is I'm gonna show y'all what we're gonna now do. So we're gonna sign up for free. And we're gonna sign up, right? So alright, so I'm gonna show you how to so you go to this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to Outlook. And I'm gonna create a new Outlook account. Like I said, Outlook is unlimited, so you ain't gotta worry about you using phone numbers. Like I said, it's literally just like this other method we literally just did on my last video if you've seen it. But we just basically go to sign in. We're going to basically go to try and sign in. We're going to basically cancel this. We're going to go to create account. We're going to create a newer account because we just freshly created. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it under Tyrese ChatGPT. Tyrese ChatGPT 5. And we're going to see if it works. So we're going to do Tyrese ChatGPT. So we're going to do Tyrese ChatGPT 65. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google and we're going to get a password. So we're going to go to Google. We're going to go to password generator. And like I said, I want to make this video as quick for you. I don't want to make it long. And what we're going to do is get a password generator like we literally just did. I don't know if you've seen my one video, but what we're going to do is copy this. And what we're going to do is now go over to create your password. So now it's going to create your password. It's going to get a sign in. And we're going to sign in with the credentials. But yeah, so we're going to go to paste right here. And like I said, this is the method how to create unlimited ChatGPT accounts. I have never seen nobody post like this sauce on YouTube. So, like I said, as much sauce as I'm giving y'all got to be prepared for it. And I got as many methods as like coming. So I'm going to just put Taze. I'm going to put goat. Because I am a goat. Because nobody ever gave y'all this method. And they don't want y'all having it. So, yeah. All right, so for this one, I'm going to do is we're going to basically press hold. It's going to let's prove you're a human. So we're just going to press hold. And it's going to press in and hold. And we just hold that. But yeah, and like I said, this is unlimited. You create, if you wanted to, you could do over more than 100 Outlook accounts in one day, or do like 50 of them. And then if you got proxy, you can hop on a proxy. But it's up to y'all. If you don't want proxy, you could literally use incognito mode and use it unlimited just like me. We don't got to put no passkey. Don't put that. Now we're in. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to show y'all. So now what we're going to do is go back over to ChatGPT. And we're gonna copy our Outlook mail, and then we're just gonna do it. We're gonna have unlimited times we could create unlimited ChatGPT accounts with the sake of it, and we don't gotta pay for nothing. This is literally free, and you can rest and repeat this method every single time and we can literally get video generations every single time the video generation run out. What you just do is you go over here, you rest and repeat it, and it's gonna work. You do it over and over and over again, and you get it unlimited times instead of you having to pay for it. But like I said, it's the good way I found this. So if you was wondering, oh bro, how do I create unlimited ChatGPT accounts? Because y'all was looking on the internet searching and nobody made a video on it. Like I said, the GOAT gotta put out the video like always. I'm one of the best YouTube automation streamers worldwide. Like I said, I'm the first YouTube automation streamer to really bring as much sauce like this to space that these other gurus can't do. But yeah, so we're gonna go to continue. And we're gonna continue with it. And what we're gonna do is go to our mail and it's gonna send us a code. So what we're gonna do is put in that code and we should all be good. But we will just fill out our name, we'll fill out this form, and yeah, so we should all be good. Like I said, you could repeat this, rest and repeat it unlimited times. You ain't got to pay for it. It's better than you having to pay or you having to buy a course. So now I'm just getting these methods. Now I'm leaking them. I'm about to leak next the 11 Labs method, how to create unlimited 11 Labs account. So I hope y'all been stay tuned for that. I found out a method for that, and that'll be in the next video right after this one. So stay tuned, and yeah. So what we're gonna do is go to Taze, and what we're gonna do is put this on age. We're gonna put our age. So I'm 21 years old. So if y'all are 22, y'all can put 22, 23, however old years. But if you're a minor, don't do this. If you're an adult, do this. So yeah, because you need to put your age right here, and it's age. You need to be 18 plus. So yeah, all right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to here. All right. So we're gonna go to our file. We're gonna go to our file. We're gonna attach it. So what I'm gonna show you how to do is I'm gonna basically show you that this is unlimited. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. So what we're basically gonna do is we're basically going to go to this. And that's how you create unlimited ChatGPT accounts. And like I said, nobody in this space dropped a method on this. I'm literally on the shittiest PC right now. My PC's currently in the shop, and yeah, but like I said, as I get these methods that's coming in, I'm gonna release them, and yeah, so like I said, my skill set is good. Nobody in the fucking space is as good as me. Nobody in the YouTube space. Nobody in the YouTube automation space. Nobody is skill set like me. And I hate comparing myself, but many people try me, and I have no point but to prove myself. Now I gotta fucking prove myself to you. All right, so yeah. All right, so we're gonna skip this. We're gonna continue this. And we're gonna put right here is we're gonna basically put the file name. So we're gonna put our file. You say okay, let's go. So we're in. So what we could do is we could go to here. We could basically deep research. So what I could show you how to do is like, so if I wanted to right here, I could do deep research, and you could unlimited deep research. You can make unlimited accounts. All you just do is make a new Outlook every single time and rest and repeat it. Like I said, it's the most easiest method is out. And yeah, so soon there's a quality method coming soon. I've been working on it, working on a way for it so y'all don't have the bad numbers. I did give y'all the one that had the bad numbers, but I've been working on a way so you don't have the bad numbers. Like I said, bear with me. I've been working on it. I need some more time for it, but like I said, we have the ChatGPT way, and as I got the news now, I'm ready to release it. So this is the news when I'm releasing it, and it's public, and it's gonna be given to y'all. So yeah, and you know, usually when the news reporters, whenever they got news, they gotta wait before they release it to make sure it's confirmed before they release fake news. So I made sure everything right here was confirmed before I released it, and this method really works. So what we could do is go to this, and we could basically, so I'm gonna test it out and show y'all that it's real. So we go to view channel right here. We go to view channel, and if we wanted to, I could basically show you that it's real. So we'll go to this, more, and what we're gonna do is go to this. And like I said, you can use this for your scripts. You can use it for deep research. You can use it for unlimited ideas. This is how much ideas I got to the space. And like I said, it's nothing's all for the money. Never that. And most of the gurus probably think, oh, it's all for the money. Never that. Never fucking that. It's because I want to see others win around me, and most people can't afford it, and they can't afford to buy the ChatGPT Pro. So now that I just gave them the unlimited way to create it for free. So yeah. So most other gurus would try to fucking have y'all pay for it when y'all can't afford it, and that's kind of fucked up. But yeah, fuck out of here. But I'm sorry YouTube for the language, but yeah. So go to studios. We'll go to content analytics. We'll go to channel analytics. We'll copy all this right here. So what we're going to do is copy this. And I'm going to test it out and show you that it's legit. So what we're going to do is do deep research. So there's one prompt I'm going to just give it. I'm going to just give it this prompt. And it's going to be way easier. So yeah. So I'm going to just give it this prompt. Find me ideas related to my niche. And we'll just paste this. And I'm showing you that it's legit. So you see running an app request. So this is your channel right here. Crack down to this. You can see the data shows this audience. It says you see the best ideas clusters for your channel. And then in this, so you see it gives us more ideas. So what I can have it do is deep research. So I can have it go to here, and I can have it deep research, and I can have it scrape me ideas from Google. So scrape me ideas from Google. Scrape me ideas and titles and give me a script structure that goes with my channel. Scrape me ideas from Google. So we could go to here, and this is how you do it. So we go to here, we basically say scrape. It says your channel is now seeing this. You see right here. So what we could do is scrape this, and yeah. So what we could do is basically it's going to scrape us ideas from Google, and we could also go to here. So we want to do deep research. We could go to more. We could do it right here. So yeah, that's really how you do it. That's really how you create unlimited ChatGPT accounts. But like I said, you could use this ChatGPT for scripts. You can use it instead of you upgrading the models, upgrading it, you just rest and repeat it every single time. And then if you wanted to, you could basically copy everything that's in chat and put it into a document file and then give it to a new ChatGPT again, and you could use it again and again and again and create unlimited Outlook accounts. But if you like the video today, bro, be sure to drop a like, drop sub, and you can use it literally. So let me show you. So if you want to basically turn one of the competitors' videos into a thumbnail, what we could do. So if we wanted to, we could replicate this video. I'm gonna show you. So what we want to do is go to this. And I'm going to show you how we're able to do this with this unlimited ChatGPT version. So we're going to go to this. I'm trying to make this as quick for y'all. So I'm going to go to YouTube, thumbnail. And you can use the generation unlimited. And like I said, as much knowledge as I know with these channels is blowing up, YouTube channels, as much knowledge as I bring to the space, these other coaches don't bring. So they're in the way. So what I'm gonna have it do is basically give me a thumbnail idea. So I'm gonna show you. So we go to Wacom right here. We basically paste this. Make me a look a like thumbnail, but for my niece. And we're just gonna go ahead and do is create me a lookalike thumbnail for my niece. And yeah, so you can create unlimited thumbnails, and you see right here, so it says use this. And what we're gonna do is basically exit this. We're gonna say create it. So we're gonna go to create. We're gonna say create image. Create the thumbnail. Generate it. So we could go to generate, and I'm gonna show you how it's legit. So we go to here, generate, and we basically put this. You can see ghosts, shadows, silence. It gave us everything that was really supposed to be on the thumbnail. So you see brand words. So we go to here, we basically paste it, and I'm gonna say generate. So what's gonna now do is go ahead and create the thumbnail. We could literally use this to fucking print. So like I said, y'all been waiting on this method. Tammy's gotta get y'all right. Y'all know I gotta come. Y'all know, bro. I'm one of the most top G, most viewed, one of the most searches YouTube motivation channels in the space right now. No other gurus ain't gonna do it, ain't gonna beat me, ain't gonna never give it to me that I'm one of the best, and they gonna try to overplay my game. Nah, nigga, you ain't overplaying me. You ain't overplaying me. What? Yeah. So let's go to vidIQ. But yeah, let's go to vidIQ, search this, and I'm gonna show you I got 17,000 searches right now. People searching for my name, people wanna see me. So, like I said, thanks for vidIQ for even having this feature. Thanks, ChatGPT. Thanks everybody, bro. Yeah, this is free method, bro. I'm so happy I became famous. Like I've been thinking about this for years, decades, and I'm happy it's here. So like I said, I'm happy I'm able to live my life, enjoy my life. I don't gotta do illegal things. I could literally make viral videos, learn, fail, and YouTube comes with trials and errors. It's not all for the money. It's all about learning. So that's what it's all for. So yeah, and it's the fun thing about it. But yeah, so it's about doing what you love, staying as consistent with it, and not giving up. You might have downers. You don't pay attention to downers, you keep going. And that's one thing ChatGPT told me. You might have a lot of people who influence you, a lot of haters. We just keep going, and yeah. But what I can say is, how many searches do Tyrese got? And I'm going to show you how many searches I got. But yeah, let's go to here. Let's go to CapCut. Now I'm going to show you so how many searches my name got. So if we go to channels right here, we go to YouTube, we go to studios. And like I said, many coaches ain't going to give it to me, that me being the best. And you got like coaches over here that don't post more methods than me, but I'm trying to get better at me explaining. The best thing to really do is keep staying consistent and improve it. So like I said, as I'm getting these methods, I'm about to throw y'all a lot of them, bro. Y'all about to see a lot of them on my channel. I'm about to spread it. So yeah, so like I said, as I'm getting these methods, I already got the Hicksfield method. Hicksfield method is probably gonna drop in 2 to 3 hours. 2 to 3 hours, but yeah, and it's crazy how YouTube pushes these coaches but can't push me. Shit is funny to me though, but it's cool though. It's cool because I'm going to shit on those guys through the years. Those guys got their time right now. And I got my time too. My time is coming on. Best believe that, bro. My time is coming. You see right here, overall score high, volume right here, competition low. You can see right here, how many searches do Tyrese got? So if we go to right here, how many searches do Tyrese got? So searches right here, Tyrese got Tyrese. Tyrese land is low. Go to Tyrese itself. So this is my old channel name. If we go to this, Tyrese has about 17,000 searches. 17,275 searches right here. Monthly. You see monthly. I have 17,000 searches, 65, which is great. And ISO speed have about... ISO speed have about 13 million. 13 million, I have close to 17,000, but I'm starting low and I got a long way to go ahead of me. But like I said, that's all I got for y'all, bro. Enjoy the method. And this is like really how you get ChatGPT for free, unlimited. And I just figured it out. But let's go over there and show y'all generation. So let's see what it made us. And it made us a thumbnail. So like I said, literally, you could rush and repeat this, make another Outlook account. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, and you want to see me do more videos like this, how to get unlimited generations, but I got y'all. But like I said, we dropping bangers over here, and I'm out. So like I said, it was gonna be a short video. I said on Twitter. I didn't lie on Twitter. I literally said on Twitter it's gonna be a short 10-minute video, and I gave y'all it. But enjoy. But we out though. And I'm gonna show you that I'm legit. I literally said it on Twitter. So I said it's gonna be like It's gonna be around 10 to 20 minutes, and I'm gonna show y'all. So let's go to my Twitter. And my Twitter, by the way, I leak a lot of nieces on Twitter. So like I said, a lot of these nieces, if you wanna find nieces, come to my Twitter. If you need me for you finding ways to grow, come to my Twitter. I'm here. I leaked over closely to more than 20,000 posts, and yeah. So and I did that because the gurus were scamming, and I felt kind of bad, and I didn't like what they was doing. So like I said, it's time for us to get them the fuck up out of here. You know how you shovel snow? We shovel their ass out of here. We shovel their ass out of here. But yeah, get their ass up out of here. They tired of their scamming shit. So yeah, but what I want to say is, we fucking with Tyrese gang. No other gang. Nobody can't do it like Tyrese, bro. Nobody can't fuck with Tyrese when it comes to this method shit. Method YouTube automation shit, bro. I'm big in my own fucking lane. My own fucking lane. Let's go.